Hey guys, welcome back to your best lessons. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to play Give Me Oil by Mettle. Okay, so if you're that lucky, you'll be singing this song in church this coming Sunday. And I won't just teach you how to play it, but I'll be giving you feels and things you need to know. Maybe the same progression can also help you to play any other song. Okay, if you're also new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video to your friends. I also do private class lessons. If you're interested, you see the link in the comment section below. Click on the link to take you direct to my WhatsApp. Okay, so guys, grab your bass and let's begin with the tutorial. Before we start the breakdown, I won't be using the song in this video because this song has a copyright issue that I can use in this video. Okay, so we will do it rawly. Okay, but if you haven't watched the video, you see the link in the comment section below, or search Mettle Give Me Oil. You will see the song. Okay, so first of all, the song was played on key E flat. Okay, your key E flat. Okay, progression goes like this: 6 6 2 2 3 3 6. That's the intro. Dun, dun. Okay, so you can bring in some cool stuff like this. You have your 6 6 3 2 2 3 3 3 6. Okay, so you can just be playing it one note, 6 2, because it's the intro. Okay, 3 da 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 da. You can also bring that with the lead guitar. Okay, 6 6 7 1 da 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 na 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 2 2 3 3 6 dun 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 dun. Okay, so you should go with the drum: 6 6 6 2 2 2 3 3 3 6 da 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 6 6 6 2 2 2 3 3 3 6 6 6 7 6 6 2. You see, 3 3 3 6. Okay, so now let's go to the I. So okay, so it's the same progression like the intro: 6 3 2 6. Okay, you can start from your 6 here: 6 6 6 6 2 2 3 3 6. Okay, so 6 6 6 7 1 3 2 2 2 2 3 3 3 3 5 6. Go. So you play your 2 3 5 6. Just be plucking simple and steady. Do 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 do. So when you hit your octave Ray, that is your 2, bring in the root. Okay, so that you can do it roots and octave, play it together. You understand? Down 3 3 3 3 5 6. You understand? Then okay, so you can also bring this feels. Da, 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 da. Okay, so on my 6, I did something like this. So that is 5 6 5 3 6. So you pluck on your 5, hammer on 6, pull up back to your 5. Okay, so then 3 6. Okay, so you see, okay, I'm giving you this so that you won't just be playing just the normal note. Okay, so da 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 6 7 1 3 2 2. Okay, da 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 da. So you can play a lick to your 2 here. So you have 6 4 3 2. Okay, so okay, so you pluck your 2 2 times. Bam, Dun, 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 dun. Then you descend from your 6, 6, 4, 3, 2. Okay. Then to your 3, 3, 3, 3, 5, 6. Okay. So when the singer is singing, ah, yeah, so da da ah, ah, da 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 da. Okay. Da, 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 da. You can also learn that. Da, 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 da. Okay, you can also learn this if you want to. So, do, 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 da, 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 da. Okay, very simple. So, you'll be descending from your 1 to your 6. Okay, that is 176 176 176 176 7 1 2. Then you continue grooving. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Ah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Da 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 da. Da da da. Okay. Da 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 da. Okay. Da 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 da. Then you can bring in the first one I taught you. Okay. So here I changed the progression to my 4. So I'll teach you that. So. Da. Ah, yeah, yeah. Da 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 da. So when you come to your 6, 6, 6, 6, 3, 1, 7, 6, 6, 3, ba, 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 ba. Okay. Okay, that is your 6, 4, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4. Then you can apply. So from your 4 here, you can come to your 6. Okay. 4, 4, da, 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 da. You understand? So from your 3, 4, 4, da, 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 da. To your 3, 3, then to your 6. Okay. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. So it goes like this. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Okay, so maybe I might play some wrong note because I was saying it. So let me just teach you the bass line. You can apply there. Okay, so da 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 da. So to your 6, this progression goes like this: 6, 4, 2, 3, 6. Okay, so da 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 6, 6, 3, 6, 6, 6, 3, 6, 4. So know the number of notes I play: 6, 6, 3, 6, 6, 6, 3, 6, 4, 4, 1, 4, 4, 4, 1, 4, 2, 2, 6, 2, 3, 3, 7, 3, 6. You understand? Da 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 da. Okay. So now let's move to the I wanna bend. So that progression goes like this: da 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 da, 2, 4, da da da, 3, 3, 6. Okay. Da 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 da, 3, 4, da 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 da. Okay, let me teach you the first one. So da 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 da, 2. Okay, so you have your 2. Now to your 4. It's simple fill. Then to your 3. You can learn that. Okay, so you have your 2, 6, 7, 1, 4, 2, 6, 7, 1, 4. Then your 3. Then to your 6. So I play something here. So that is, you play your 5 sharp and your 2. That's to your 3. Okay, and to your 6. Da 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 da. Okay, so it goes like 6 6 7 1 7 6 3 2 2 2. Okay, so a lick from your 4 to your 3. So down, down. Okay, so here I use the modes on 4, but not all. Okay, you can also learn that. So so I played 4 4 3 2 1 4 3. Okay, okay, da 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 da. Okay, da 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 da. 6 3 2 6 4 3 2 4 4 3. You understand? Okay, so I think this is the whole song. I've breaking down very simple for you. Okay, so practice them very well, and some few things you've learned here, you can start applying them in a new song. Or there are many songs that the progression goes like this, or maybe the bass line, you can just master the bass line and play it in a new song. Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.